Hey, Handy Moore here from repurpose.io. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take all your existing Facebook videos, Facebook Lives, or actually any video you have on your computer and automatically publish it to LinkedIn. Check this out. First thing you got to do is log into your repurpose.io account and add LinkedIn as a connection. If you don't have a repurpose account, no worries. Head on over to repurpose.io and sign up for a free trial. Once you're logged in, hit the connections page, choose LinkedIn, add connection. I'm going to give it a name, any name you want. Say connect. It's going to pop up, ask me to log in to my LinkedIn account. This is just to authenticate myself. And that's it. Step 2, you got to create a workflow that publishes to LinkedIn. So back inside my repurpose dashboard, I'm going to say create new workflow, give it a name, could be any name you want, for example, Facebook to LinkedIn, and choose my starting point. So I'm going to choose Facebook videos and choose it from my page, and I'm going to choose my page. Now note, if you want to take a video from your computer, for example, you can upload all your videos to a Dropbox folder and choose Dropbox from here. If you want to take your live stream, you can choose live streams from here. If you want to take an audio podcast, convert to a video, you can choose that as well. But for this demo, I'm just going to take a regular video off my Facebook page. And then next step, I'm going to choose upload video, which is fine. Here's where it's fun. I can choose the full video or a snippet. So my videos are under 10 minutes. So LinkedIn will allow me to upload videos under 10 minutes. So I'm going to keep it as full video. But if you have longer videos or you want to trim your videos into little snippets, you can choose the snippets option. So I'm going to just leave it as full video. And last but not least, where do I want to send my videos? Well, I want to send them to LinkedIn. Choose LinkedIn. Now note, LinkedIn only lets you upload videos to company pages. So they only allow us to do that. That's okay though, because we added an option that will automatically share those videos from your company page to your personal profile, which is really cool. I'll show you that in a few seconds. Now, if you don't have a company page, just head over to LinkedIn under the work category and just say create a company page. It's fast, it's super simple. Now I'm going to choose my test page and say create workflow. Step 3, choose which videos you want to publish or turn on the auto publish to publish them all. All right, now we're ready to publish. So if I click view videos, you're going to see all my videos from my Facebook page. I can choose the ones I want and click publish. But before I do that, I want to go into the settings because you have a few options on the style of video. You can leave the video as it is, original size, or you can turn into a vertical or square. So if you're going to LinkedIn, we recommend you turn into a square video. And what that does, it gives you the option to add a headline and a subheadline or captions below the video. And if you have captions already on your Facebook video, Facebook pages allow you to turn on automatic captions. We can burn those captions right into the video. It's so cool. You turn on this option here and click save. So I'm going to hit publish. And here's where I get a chance to customize the text. The title that shows on LinkedIn, the title that shows on the video. I'm going to leave everything as default because everything got pulled in from my Facebook video. And just hit publish. In a few seconds, it should go into processing. And in a few minutes, it's all done. So I'm going to click the preview icon. It will take me right to my LinkedIn page. And boom, here's my video automatically on LinkedIn. Now note, this is a native video. So it's a video uploaded to LinkedIn. So we're not sharing a link from somewhere else. This is the kind of videos that LinkedIn wants you to publish. Native LinkedIn videos. Last but not least, if you go under the settings again and scroll to the bottom, you have the option to share your videos to your personal feed. So like I mentioned, these videos upload to your company page, but if you want to automatically share them to your personal feed, you can turn this on, and the next time you publish, they will automatically share that video to your feed. How cool is that? The last thing I want to show you is how to turn on auto publish. So auto publish can be turned on using this switch over here, and it does two things. One, it will take every single video here and automatically add it to the queue so it gets published to LinkedIn. And next time you publish a video to Facebook, you don't have to log into Repurpose anymore. You can have it automatically go to LinkedIn without you even logging in to Repurpose. So that's super convenient. Now, let's say you don't want to publish every single video here. You only want to publish ones starting tomorrow onwards. You can go to the settings and configure that filter here. Tell it to only publish after October 10th, for example. We also have a hashtag feature, so you can only publish videos with certain hashtags. So you don't have to worry. Auto publish is convenient, but it's also flexible to let you control which content goes out. If you like what you're seeing, head on over to repurpose.io and try it for free today.